What's up guys, I'm Rupak and in this video I'm going to show you an indoor positioning project that I made with ESP8266 using Wi-Fi and machine learning. This project solely uses Wi-Fi signal strength or Wi-Fi RSSI of the networks that are around you along with a classification algorithm in machine learning to estimate your location. Let's take a look at the project and then I'll try my best to explain how it actually works. These are the basic steps to make and use a machine learning model. Arduino and ESP8266 are not powerful enough to train a machine learning model. To overcome this problem, I used my PC to train the model in Python language and then I ported the trained model to ESP8266. So basically we are adding a step of porting the trained model to ESP8266 board so that it can be straight away used to predict the output. Let's talk about data collection and then I'll show you a visual representation of how the model actually looks like which we created from the collected data. First I used a code to print all the available networks on the serial monitor and then I handpicked the networks which could be used to collect data. In this case I am selecting 3 Wi-Fi networks to train the model. You can select as many Wi-Fi networks as you want, but just make sure that all the networks that you are selecting are actually useful to train the model. What I actually mean is, for example, you have 2 Wi-Fi routers kept close to each other. So basically both of them will have the same signal strength at every point. So they're not providing any new information. You could just eliminate any one of the network, which will make your model more efficient. Next, I used an Arduino code to print the signal strengths of the 3 selected networks on the serial monitor. I also kept a column in the end to print a numerical code that I gave to the individual rooms in my house, so that the data doesn't get mixed up. Then I actually stood at distinct spots in individual rooms so that I have 20 to 30 different values from each room. This is a very basic map or blueprint of the rooms at my house. And here is what I mean by collecting data from distinct points. I made some custom data filters so that I only use the useful readings to create the machine learning model. Now I'm not an expert at machine learning and also Wi-Fi is not meant for indoor positioning, so we get a model which might look actually something like this. And actually the model makes mistakes to determine the position at the borders. If we use a better machine learning model along with a dedicated indoor positioning module which shows higher variations on movement, then we can get an accurate result. And also then you might as well use it to determine your position within a room. You can divide your house into an imaginary plane and then your machine learning model can return the XY coordinates of your location. Anyways, with this we come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you around. Do comment and let me know about the sound quality of this video as I'm using a new microphone to record this video. Thank you.